Hello and welcome back. So here we're going to be converting standard form to ordinary numbers. So the objective here is to convert numbers into standard form and then back into ordinary numbers. So a quick definition before we get started. So a number in standard form is of the form a times x to the power of n, where a is between 1 and 10 and n has to be an integer. So standard form is useful because it helps us to deal with really large or really small numbers. So here's an example. We need to write the following numbers in standard form. So we need to put it in that a times 10 to the power of n form, where a is between 1 and 10. So for 45,000, what we do is we put the decimal place where we get a number between 1 and 10. So in this number, 45,000, we're going to put the decimal place between the 4 and the 5 to make 4.5. And then we say, how many times has the decimal place been moved in this question? So if the decimal place has gone here, and originally it was here, it's been moved 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the answer is going to be 4.5 times 10 to the power of 4. This one here, so we've got 7,200,000. So this time, if we put the decimal place between the 7 and the 2, we end up with 7.2. But if the decimal place originally started out here and we've moved it here, it's been moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So I'm going to write 7.2 times 10 to the power of 6. This question here, so 0.0046, so again, we have to follow the same rule. The number has to be between 1 and 10. So to get my number between 1 and 10 this time, I'm going to put the decimal place between the 4 and the 6. So we have 4.6. But this time it's been moved in the opposite direction. So it's been moved 1, 2, 3 spaces, but it's been moved 3 spaces to the right instead this time. So instead of writing it times 10 to the power of 3, I'm going to write it as 10 to the power of minus 3. This example here, 0.781, I'm going to put the decimal place where the number would be between 1 and 10. So this time it's 7.81. And we can see again, it's been moved 1 space. So it's going to be times 10 to the power of minus 1. So these ones we have to convert back to ordinary numbers. So we have 3.2 times 10 to the power of 5. So what we're going to do is move the decimal place 5 spaces to the right. So we have 3.2 and it's been moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So it's now here. And we fill in all of the gaps with zeros. So the answer to this one is 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So that is 320,000. This one here, we have 8.12, so we're timesing it by 10 to the power of minus 3. So this time the decimal place is going 3 spaces to the left. So it's going 1, 2, 3. So we're going to fill the spaces with zeros. So we're left with 0.00812. This one here, we have 6 times 10 to the power of 2. So I'm going to write 6.0 because that's where the decimal place is at the moment. And I'm going to move it 2 spaces to the right. So it's 1, 2. I'm going to fill the space with a 0. So the answer to this one is 600. Okay, so here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. Here are the answers, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!